I have 3 words: remote online notary. I am so excited to announce that remote online notaries are here. They're here to stay, and I now have a course for you. The loan signing system has come out with very own Ron course. This is not any Ron course. You know how I roll. I'm going to teach you from A to Z. What is remote online notary? Does my state allow remote online notary? What are the difference between all these platforms? Why should I sign up for the Pavasso versus Notarize? What's the difference between SnapDoc's digital platform and secured signings? I have you covered. So once I teach you what a Ron platform is, once I teach you what a digital certificate is, once I teach you all the how to use the platforms, the most important thing that you should be wondering is, how do I make money as a Ron notary? And the answer is, I got you covered. That's all in the course. A lot of people are teaching you how to join platforms, what a remote online notary is. I cover that. But I cover the good stuff, which is how to make money. Remote online marketing is the most crucial part to a remote online notary's business. And that is covered. You know how I roll. Best part about this is it comes included with every single loan signing system member's course player. So if you're an active loan signing system member, it is free. It is not. It is zilch. I'm so excited because look, I understand that you are looking to me to help you make money as the industry transitions, and I have you covered. I do not take their responsibility lightly. Now, there's a handful of states that do not currently allow remote online notarizations, but here's my conversation to you. Just because it currently doesn't allow it doesn't mean it's not coming down the pipeline. Your job as an educated signing agent or educated notary is to be prepared for the changes. So you don't want to be caught behind because everyone else besides you in your state knows the platforms, knows what Ron is. You want to be up to speed so when it does happen, because trust me, it will happen. All 50 states will be remote online notary legal within the next 12 to 24 months is my prediction. And when that happens, you need to be prepared. And I got you. So I'm so excited again to announce the Loan Signing System's remote online notary course. There's a heavy expectation behind it, and I look forward to meeting those expectations and exceeding them. We are building out the largest library of remote online notary material, period. I'm leveraging my community size. I'm leveraging who I am in the industry to go straight to the top of the platforms, answer the hard-hitting questions, making sure that you're taken care of because I serve you. I am so excited because the transition is happening. Everyone's always been asking me for the past years, Mark, how come you don't have a Ron course? And the answer is, it wasn't really ready. The industry wasn't really ready is what I should say. Now the swell is there. Now lenders are starting to come on board slowly but surely. Now there's money in general notary work on remote online platforms. So my job now is to make sure you understand how to make money, make sure this is another feather in your cap on your notary journey. And again, this is not an extra dime for current loan signing system members. If you buy the loan signing system, it comes included. It's not a separate fee. A lot of other trainers out there are charging separate prices for remote online notary courses, not me. And I take a lot of pride in what the loan signing system has become over the past 6 years. And I'm putting my weight behind my remote online notary course because it's just as good. I'm so excited. So to get access to the remote online notary course by the loan signing system, simply click the link below. I am so excited for you, and I cannot wait to hear how much money you make with your remote online notary. Let's go.